Hello and welcome to Q Rangers. My name is James and I'm joined with my good friend, Qbot.
Hello everyone.
We are so excited to be teaching you today. Come on, let's go. Follow us to the classroom. Hey Qbot, do you want to build a snowman?
What's a snowman?
Oh, a snowman is a representation of a human figure that's created with snow.
Interesting.
Yeah, snowmen are pretty cool. All right, let's get started. Drag out a sphere. Using the corner buttons, we will change the dimensions. We can change both dimensions at the same time by clicking on the corner, holding the Shift key, and dragging it to the number we want. All right, let's duplicate it.
Then we can just change the size of the new sphere, right?
Yep, I'll click on the corner, hold Shift, and shrink it down. It's going to be 25 millimeters. This will be the middle piece of our snowman. Drag it up on top of the first sphere.
Now you can duplicate the new sphere.
That's right. We'll duplicate and repeat this. Now let's group the shapes together.
Are snowmen supposed to be blue?
No, silly. They're made out of snow, so they need to be white. Let's change it to white.
What are we going to do next?
We're going to make the snowman's nose. As we all know, snowmen have noses made of carrots. So let's set the work plane to the face of the snowman. Now we need to use the cone shape. Use the Shift key and make the base of the cone smaller. Now we will make the cone taller by dragging out this.
Don't forget to make it orange like a carrot. We need eyes, right?
That's right. We need to reset the work plane first. Let's grab a sphere, shrink it down, and make it black. Position it on the face. We can look at it from different angles and adjust it. We will duplicate and copy and drag the other eye over. All right, that's it. Our snowman is completed. And you can make your own snowman at home and you can add all different kinds of features. Thanks for joining us and we'll see you again next time.
Don't forget to practice at home.
Bye-bye.